Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your home. Let us learn about ray and beam of light today. As you already know that light travels in a straight line, we use straight lines to show the path followed by light and an arrowhead at its end. This straight line with an arrowhead is known as ray of light. As you can see that the arrowhead is pointing towards the right side. It means that the light is traveling from left to right. So, a ray of light can be defined as a straight line along which light travels or the path along which light travels. A beam of light is a group of rays, or you can define it as a beam of light is a bundle of light rays. Beam of light can be parallel, convergent, and divergent. The light rays that are parallel to each other do not meet with each other. The gap between two rays is same at every point. You can compare these rays with the railway tracks. The second type of beam is convergent beam. The light rays coming to a single point from many directions is called convergent beam of light. Our eyes converge light rays to one point called retina. The gap between rays keep on decreasing as they meet at a point. If you place a hand lens or a magnifying glass on a paper and keep it in sunlight, you will find that after some time the paper starts burning. It converges the light. Look at the light rays. They arise from one point and then scatter in different directions. Such light rays are called divergent beam. The gap between the rays keep on increasing as the rays scatter. The headlight of car is best example of divergent beam of light. So, the three types of beams are parallel beam, convergent beam, and divergent beam. When the light rays are parallel to each other, then it is a parallel beam of light. When the light rays come to a single point from many directions, then it is convergent beam. When the light rays arise from a single point and then scatter in different direction, then it is divergent beam. Now, let us learn how do we see things around us. Every object reflects light falling on it to some extent. Reflection means sending back or bouncing back of light rays in the same direction. When this reflected light falls in our eyes, then we are able to see those objects. So, to see an object, we need a source of light. But the source of light should not throw rays directly on our eyes. The second important requirement is eyes. The person should not be blind if he wants to see something. And the last condition is the only reflected light from the object, when it falls in our eyes, then only we are able to see the object. I hope the concept is clear to you now. Thank you, kids.